think you know the hottest places to live in the South. We've got a surprise for you. And no, they're not in Florida. The real estate game is all about timing, knowing the market, and predicting the next big thing. Lately, everyone's been whispering about a southern surge. People are packing up, saying goodbye to the same old grind, and heading down south. But these aren't your typical southern belles and gents looking to retire early. We're talking young professionals, families and entrepreneurs, all chasing the new American dream. So what's got everyone buzzing? In this video, we're diving deep into the heart of the South to reveal the two cities topping everyone's moving list. Get ready for some serious real estate envy, because these places are hot, hot, hot. All right, folks, get ready for our first city reveal. Drum roll, please. It's city name. I know, you probably weren't expecting that. This hidden gem is tucked away in state name, and let me tell you, it's about to be the hottest address in the South. First things first, let's talk numbers. The cost of living here is ridiculously good. We're talking spacious homes, big backyards, all for a fraction of what you'd pay in those overcrowded, overpriced cities. But don't think for a second that affordable means boring. City name is bursting with culture, history and charm. Think cobblestone streets, charming cafes, and a thriving art scene. They've got it all. And the job market here? Booming. Major companies are setting up shop, bringing with them incredible opportunities for growth and innovation. But here's the thing that really sets city name apart. The people. They're welcoming, they're driven, and they know how to have a good time. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of the people who call city name home. Get ready to be blown away, because our second city is a total game changer. Put your hands together for city name. State. Now, this is what I call a power play. Imagine this. Year-round sunshine, a thriving economy, and a quality of life that's off the charts. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, it gets even better. City name boasts some of the best weather in the country. Say goodbye to those brutal winters and hello to endless summers. Spend your weekends exploring breathtaking hiking trails, casting a line in crystal clear lakes, or simply soaking up the sun on pristine beaches. But it's not all play and no work here. City name is a hub for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. The city is investing heavily in its future, creating a fertile ground for innovation and growth. And let's not forget about the education and healthcare systems here. They're top-notch, attracting some of the brightest minds and best medical professionals in the country. But here's the secret sauce that makes city name so special: the people. They embody Southern hospitality at its finest. Warm, welcoming, and always willing to lend a helping hand. They say home is where the heart is, and in city name you'll find a community that feels like family. So there you have it, folks. The South is rising, and these two cities are leading the charge. Who would have thought that city name and city name would be the hottest new destinations for those seeking a better quality of life? These cities offer the perfect blend of affordability, opportunity, and that undeniable southern charm. Thinking of making a move? Here's why these cities could be your next dream home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on your next big adventure.